smoke in that mobile, Roger.
I think he got sick.
Yeah, right back to you, Arjun. You have a good one out there in that mobile. Drive safe, be safe. Old 444 Wisconsin goes in there.
Damn, we just got some packages at the door from DigiKey. Damn, we're going to be repairing some stuff soon. We got a dirty old capacitor there from Patrick's way down there in California there. I'm going to be fixing up, damn, what am I going to be fixing up? That old Palomar 300.
Operator John, back off the key.
Okay, John, have a good day.
Good one, 173 Ohio.
Hey, 999. How about that West Virginia, 357, Vancouver, Canada, waving. How about it, Virginia? How about that Virginia, 357, Vancouver, Canada, waving? Hey, Roger, 102, I think it was there, Memphis, Tennessee. I got a little bit of music playing in there, but I do hear you out there, 357, Vancouver, waving back.
Yeah, okay, he has 1027 there, 357. Sounding good, man, 73.
All right there, 1027. Yeah, man, good to hear you in there, and hope everything's going good your way there. Getting a lot of stations from all over the place there. I can't believe it there. It's coming in real good there. So 1027, Memphis, Tennessee, 73s, and God bless to you there, and good to hear you out there. 357, Vancouver, Canada. Reading the mail.
It's not very often that I get to talk to you.
CQDX, 357, the west coast of Canada, standing by. somebody out there, West Virginia there. I got some music playing there. It's kind of walking on everybody, but I do hear West Virginia out there. 357, Vancouver, Canada, waving.
Where you going? 070 169 on
Damn, I'm gonna get a fucking copyright with that stupid music going. Damn, too much music on 38 is gonna screw up my freaking monetization. Damn, I think he heard you 361, he just didn't answer.
I guess.
Yeah, you're booming in here, man. I had to come up here because 38, there's somebody's playing music and he's just kicking everybody's ass.
Oh, yeah, there's some guy, I don't know, it might be in my area, playing these conscious noises randomly, you know, up and down the band. One day he's on AM, the next he's on side band. The guy's got some issue for some reason.
All right there, 361. Yeah, I'm not sure. Now there's a whole bunch of people coming in right now too. But anyways, there, good to hear you in there, man. I just thought I'd wave a hand at you there and say had to come and get some fresh air there. 38's getting crazy. Damn, I lost you now. Oh, I hear somebody out there. Is that West Virginia? Hey there, I think it was 451 there in the Razorback, 357 Vancouver. Hey Roger, what's your numbers there again?
451.
Alright there, 451. Yeah, good to hear you in there, and sounding real good up this way too there. Yeah, there's a lot of big signals today there, and just kind of coming from all over the place there, so good to hear you out there in the Razorback, and I hope everything's going good out your way. 73s, and God bless to you there. 451, 357 Vancouver. Hey, 357 Missouri, I hear you out there. 357 Vancouver, waving.
Roger, you make a fine trip. Sound like a real local out here. Man, you're almost you make a great trip.
Hey, Roger. Yeah, you're coming in here not too bad there. Sounds like you got a little bit of RF coming in on your microphone or something there, but I can still make you out, no problem there. But no doubt about it, yeah, some crazy conditions today.
Hey, Roger that, Bob. We're going to say 73. Do you think for the come back here, we're going to have 357 on the side?
All right there, 357. Yeah, good to hear you in there, and hope everything's going good out your way there. And 73s, and God bless to you there in Missouri. 357 out here, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We'll be listening.
Roger, back at you. The QDX 173 Ohio.
Oh, I hear 173 out there in Ohio, 357 British Columbia.
Yeah, good afternoon there, 357. You sound good here in Ohio.
Hey Roger, 173. Yeah, you're still coming in here, not too bad there. And yeah, 38, there's music playing there, and I'm trying to do a video there, so if the music's playing, you know, YouTube's going to flip out about it there. So, but anyways there, 173, good to hear you in there again. 357 out here, Vancouver, Canada. We're listening. Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger.
And Roger Dodger. Roger. Waving good day to you there, 357, 654, Northern Cal.
Hey, 654, Northern Cal. Yeah, good to hear you in there, man. Yeah, that's weird, California. I was talking to Patrick there, and I think Monterey Bay was in there. I heard him too. And then, you know, Chicago and all the other states there all at the same time there, which is kind of unusual. But yeah, good to hear you in there, man.
Yeah, copy. We had a little bit of conditions kind of late last night up towards your direction there, and that was it. Nobody else was coming in except for around the Vancouver area.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. I was on there last night. Maybe it was, I don't know what the heck time that would have been there, but I had the radio on pretty much all night there. But anyways, yeah, it just, you know, I heard some stuff in there today. It was just kind of weak in the background, and I heard, you know, Chicago and a couple places, and then all of a sudden it just took right off, man, and like, holy shit, people were just coming in, like just bending the needle over into the red, and then like all different places all at the same time. And then California, Patrick was in there 30 over, and Chicago was 30 over, and damn, there's like a million people on there for like a couple seconds, and now it's kind of scattered again there, but pretty crazy.
Yeah, copy. Yeah, it's calmed a little bit. I kind of, when it gets too busy, I kind of back out and go do something, wait for it to calm down a little bit.
Okay, roger that. No, I usually just get right in there, and you know, what the hell there. But 38, somebody was playing some music pretty darn loud there, and it wasn't that bad of music, but I'm trying to do a video gate there, and that music's going to screw it up.
Yeah, copy on that. Yeah, it's kind of nice when you have a better clean environment for the video gate.
Yeah, Roger Dodger, Roger Dodger. Alrighty there, 654. We'll wave a hand at you, man, and good to hear you in there, and hope everything's going good down your way. And yeah, hopefully hear you in there again soon there, 654, 357 up here, Vancouver. We'll be listening.
Have a good day, and we will catch you out there again, I'm sure. World Radio 654, stand by.
Roger Dodger. Oh, I hear somebody in Kentucky calling me there, 357, Vancouver. Okay, 357 Kentucky there. We're getting a lot of carrier there. I don't know if you're on AM there or not there. Damn, hopefully I'm not that wide there, but I do hear you out there, 357 in Kentucky, 357 Vancouver. Oh, I don't know. It sounds like a little bit of carrier balance or something. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're on AM there or not, but I do hear like a carrier or something in there a little bit, but I can still pull you out there, Roger. Your signal dropped down, but I can still hear the carrier in there. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe unless it's just something, I'll try and tune you in a little bit better.